Hello, everyone, and welcome to AdsRepay.com, the forum with the most paid online tasks. Today, we're exploring the Adgem offer wall, which has a wealth of earning possibilities. Let's navigate to Adgem from our AdsRepay dashboard and see what's in store. Adgem has a variety of amazing paid activities, surveys, games, offers. The possibilities are endless and tailored to your preferences. Each offer on the dashboard comes with a clear description, outlining the task required and the reward amount. You can also filter or sort offers based on categories, reward amounts, or other criteria, helping you find offers that best match your interests. Once you are done with an offer, you can check its status under the reward status, where you can see your offers that are in progress and the ones you have already completed. Once you have successfully completed an offer, simply click Redeem on the AdsRepay dashboard, and you can then redeem your points for PayPal, Amazon, or crypto and get paid within 24 hours. It's simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for joining AdsRepay. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and YouTube for news, updates, and other valuable content.